We're going to do a brief video on BTC Bitcoin today. We've got a daily chart of Bitcoin up here on the screen, and it is overlaid with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a 200-day blue moving average. So let's take a look just back here a little bit to, looks like November 21. We can see we made our high in Bitcoin at around the 69,000 level, and from there we entered into a test of this 200-day moving average. You can see in middle of December we bounced up just a little bit, broke through, closed decisively, and began the bear market in Bitcoin. So if you take a look at this first decline right here, we'll notice Bitcoin was very much respected the 20-day moving average, came down, made a little bottom, rallied up towards the 200-day moving average for a test, failed it, tried it again, and stopped almost exactly at the 200-day moving average on March 28th. Bounced off the 200-day moving average and entered into a serious bear market. So you can see today we're still in a bear market in Bitcoin. But if you take a look at this, this is very telling technical analysis detail that we'll talk about. If you look at this bounce off the bottom of the 200-day moving average, and then you look at how well it's respected the 20-day moving average, this is just a classic bear market decline. You could have just got short right here at this crossover of the 5-day, the 20-day, and confirmed by the price, and stayed short all the way down to about here at the 29,500 level. And then I would have probably not messed with it after that, but more bold people could have gotten short again when the same thing happened right here when you got out of this consolidation range. So down here now, let's move all the way to the bottom. We put in a bottom in June. We're cutting across here, and they're trying to decide what to do with Bitcoin. They've rallied it up a little bit to approximately 25,000, but this market is still in an indecisive phase where they're trying to decide what to do. Is this market going to rally and test the 200-day moving average at around the 30,500 level, or is it going to just come across slowly, run into the 200-day moving average down at some point in the future here, probably not until October-ish, and then head back down again? My guess is we're going to get a rally here, probably not to the 200-day. My guess right now is we probably get a rally September-ish, early September, to the 28,000 level, probably right around in here. And in order to do that, we need to get this price back above the 20-day moving average. We need to get support along the 20-day moving average, and the price, obviously, and the 5-day moving average have to be above the 20-day. If we get all that here in the next week, we probably will see a first week rally of around 28 to 28.5-ish, I'm going to say right now, right in this range here in September, early September. If we don't get that, my best guess is you're probably going to go sideways. I doubt if you're going to see Bitcoin sell off severely here. It could happen. This is all for entertainment purposes only, all in my own opinion. But my guess is if you don't get that, you'll see a sideways continuation with some trading range going through here. But right now, I would say there's probably a 70% chance we're going to get a rally. At some point, we may get a decline first, but we're going to eventually get a rally to test this 200 moving day average in about the 28.5 range sometime in September. That's what I'm seeing here, again, for entertainment purposes only. It's all my own opinion. Let's go down here and see what RBAM research says. We cover Bitcoin. These prices come out 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and we cover both long and shorts on Bitcoin. You'll get either a buy or a short each day. And this is good for the 25th today. We have 1-day hold, 2-day hold, 5, 10, and 20-day holds on Bitcoin. The way this works is you would, assuming your own analysis indicates it, these are just for entertainment purposes only, but assuming your own analysis indicates a trade in this range, buy here, close out worst case next trading day tomorrow. And these are all trading days, not calendar days. This would be a 2-day, 5-day, 10-day, and 20-day hold. If you don't have a profit sooner, you close them out at a loss at the end of 1, 2, 5, 10, or 20 days. If you have a profit, you take it. So that's basically the way this works. Take your profit as soon as you get them, and hold worst case 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 days. Close out a loss at the end of the trading session or just before the end of the trading session on those days if you don't get a profit before. So let's take a look and see what's going on. On the 1-day hold, you've got 21,447, 21,447. Let's see what's going on. Today's the 25th. And our bottom was 21,310, and our top so far today is 21,819. So you could have got in there on a day trade in and out today already and made about 400. So That's the way this works. They come out by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, I'm saying that very confidently. This is all for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own research, and you can't rely on these prices for anything other than entertainment. But they do come out every day. You might want to check them out and see what you think and how they back up your own research. But they do come out every morning, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m., absolutely free, no credit card required. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com. In addition to BTC cryptos, we cover 190 stocks, long only on the stocks. We cover the major forex pairs, longs and shorts, and the major futures contracts, longs and shorts. All available at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. You just go there, sign up, and you get them absolutely free, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have some comments about how to make this video better, please leave them in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've heard and seen on here, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. They're all our opinion. You have to rely on your own analysis and not ours, and you definitely trade at your own risk.